Hey Empresses, just wanted to share this really quick beauty moment with you. It's extremely hot outside. It's been like this for the past couple of days, and I don't know about you, but I have not been wanting to wear makeup. But for the days that I do want to wear makeup and still not do too much, I love to do this look right here. It's a nice kind of bronzy, natural, yet but glamorous look, polished and put together, right? And I'm gonna share the products that I used. So, can you believe I only use one eyeshadow on my lid? Yes, that is right. It's a nice soft orange shade, and this is the eyeshadow that I decided to use. It's called Lively, and I like to use like a natural orangey or brown shade for the days that I really don't want to do too much as eyeshadow. So I took a fluffy brush, nice large eyeshadow brush, and I just blended this color out, blew it out on my eyelid, and yeah, super simple. And I did not feel like putting lashes at all, so I've been really feeling this mascara right here. I've been talking about it. If you have not seen my review on this 4D Epic Fiber Mascara, just check the pics in the video on my page, but I'm loving it. This is a perfect alternative to falsies, especially for the days you don't really feel like putting lashes on. And it will still keep you cute, still finish your look, and yeah, like I have it on and I'm loving it. It's really has been my favorite mascara so far. So yeah, if you're looking for a new mascara, I would definitely recommend this. And what I love about it the most is if you don't want that kind of spider look, you can just do one layer. But if you do like a more of a thicker lash, I would definitely recommend layering this on to get your desired look. So this is definitely buildable. In terms of my skin, I sweat a lot, so I don't like my makeup to look too sweaty. I like a dewy look, but not shiny, and I don't think anybody likes that extremely shiny. Well, I'm not judging you if you do, but anyway, I've been using this mattifying primer, and I love it. Like, I actually had my makeup on for a little bit, close to 4 hours, and I'm really not breaking in the sweat. Like, I just have a little bit of shine, but this is highlighter. But yeah, my face is pretty matte. Have not used any type of powders or absorbent sheets or anything like that, so I've been feeling it. Okay, it's the mascara, the primer. So all of these come into the beauty box. I'll put a picture below this video so that you can see. I would include a picture. The beauty box has over 10 products, and you're getting everything for $99. This box will get your life together. It's perfect to replace your makeup, your old makeup, and to, you know, boost your confidence. You know what I mean? It's like self-care is imperative, especially this year. We've been going through so much, and it's very vital that we don't derail our self-care routine. So if you have not seen the beauty box, check it out below. If you want one, please let me know. I'll be so happy to share that with you. Alright, until next time, ladies, enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.